No, no, wait. I don't have the gun. Don't kill me.
Where is it? I found it down.
Yo. Okay, so sorry guys, I haven't been posting, but I've been busy, and I've been posting like.
I found the dude who has it.
Okay, well she just obviously just got killed, and I'm joining with Snowee Paws. Say hi.
Hi.
This is Snowee Paws right here, guys. Just say no. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know what to say. Like, welcome back to the Pause game. And I realized that I spelled gaming wrong, but that's fine. I'll just screw it. Oof. Innocent. I'm innocent. Really? Yeah. Yeah, I'm positive. I'm actually innocent.
I gotta run. I feel like someone's a murderer in this room.
Yeah, I don't trust anyone either.
I swear I'm not the murderer. I'm just it. Run.
Yo, here's the gun. I'm gonna turn my volume all the way down so I couldn't hear any knife kills.
Oh god, no. That's the gun dude.
The gun dude.
Our friendship?
Friendship. I'm not the murderer, Karina. I ain't the murderer. Wait. What?
Oh god.
Carmina? This is sketchy. Yo, this is no. So mean. Skull killed us. That ain't cool, bro. The stupid murderer one, obviously. Obviously. Gee. Okay, let's see what we are today. I'm innocent.
Oh god, look at my inventory. I just got an elite for like, okay, so I gave them 4 uncommon knives and I got an elite.
Yo! Can I have it?
Maybe.
You have 2.
I said an elite.
Oh!
Wait, what did you think I said?
Nothing.
Here?
Yo. Carmina, where are you?
The bacon guy. The bacon. I'm from behind your wait, is this name Joey Jacko?
Oh man.
This name is Joey Jacko, I know exactly what you're
Ugh.
because it's now with texts. Do you want to move the lucky?
Thank you. Agor gamer. Agor. Agor.
No?
I'm innocent. Yo, I'm innocent. I have 18% of being murdered and I'm innocent. What the heck is that?
Where are you?
I'm right here. Wait, look it. Yeah.
Dude, not funny. What?
What ain't funny? Everyone's running.
Oh my gosh, you tricked us. I was gonna do that next round without bird. So you just no idea.
I didn't steal it. I'm just a mad genius.
You're like, it's just a teddy bear.
Meow.
No, this is just a teddy bear. No, you said you were innocent. We can't lie to each other.
Sorry. This person. No, don't shoot me, please. I'm innocent. Please. I'm innocent. Yo, I'm innocent. One outside?
Yeah, it's the last ice cream girl kid.
Wait, I'm trying to kill this guy. Is he dead? Yeah, I'm guessing he is. He better be dead. I swear, if he's not, I'm gonna be super mad.
Don't want the ice cream girl. It's outside.
Ice cream girl outside.
Yeah, go outside. And she has a black ponytail. Yeah.
Ice cream girl outside?
Go. Noise.
Let's go. I say let's go. Let's go. What am I now? innocent. 2% of being in murder. Yo, I'm not trusting Carmina after what I did to her.
I'm an innocent, I swear.
I died. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god.